My 16-year-old son comes home from school one day and says, there's this class that I'd like to take that you get to make anything you like, and what I'd like to do is to make a solar-powered vehicle. Together it took us a year, and what surprised us both was just how well it worked. It had a 15-mile range, it had an 18-mile-an-hour top speed, and it was fun to drive. It had torque and pickup. And so we enjoyed that, and he got an A in his class, but I couldn't sort of unsee what I had seen about how useful this could be. Having been born and brought up in South America and going to school in Florida, and I worked in Africa for a number of years afterwards. I'd lived in sunny places where this would be really useful, and I decided I would see how we could make this into a useful, usable vehicle for all sunny places around the world. Well, when you look at a map of the world and you look at the number of sunny countries that there are out there, we apply what we call the Africa test, which is basically if you live in a place that shares a latitude with the continent of Africa, then you can drive a solar car usefully. It creates a sort of a sun belt across the world at that latitude. It encompasses about 2/3 of the population of the world. We've got big potential here in Florida and the United States and other states like Texas, Arizona, New Mexico, and places that are something like that, California. But beyond that, imagine the value of having something like this on a Caribbean island or in Latin America where the sun shines in so many places. We've made the car inexpensive to make sure that as many people as possible can get in one and drive it. So it's an inexpensive car that's then virtually free to run. So we see the possibilities as being boundless. You're using the electricity from the sun at the very point that it's needed, in your car. So it comes straight from the sun to your battery, to your motor, without any transmission through power lines or anything like that. It is the most efficient way of getting electric vehicles. A lot of people report that when they drive the car, they're surprised at how fast it is. So it's got a top speed limit of 25 miles an hour, but it's got very rapid acceleration. So it is quite exhilarating, that moment of going from 0 to 25 miles an hour. Puts a smile on your face. It's been described as a smile maker. I mean, I'd just like to say, how proud we are for this to be the birthplace of the INTI, a car that we think, can go very far in the world. We really look forward to a long-standing partnership with everybody here on the Space Coast.